folks, how you doing? Welcome to Pip Getterz. I just want to let you guys know, for those who have registered, thank you very much. Just want to let you guys know we're having a 2-hour webinar, free webinar. We're going to talk about Forex, we're going to talk about stocks, we're going to talk about futures, we're going to talk about options, we're going to talk about different education programs that we offer here at Pip Getterz. We're also going to talk about what we're going to do in 2021. We're going to get motivated, we're going to get established, okay? We're going to replenish ourselves. In 2021, is it preparing you to get ready? 2020 sure punched you in the face. So let's go.
You got a card? Let me get your number again.
You won last time. Hold on.
AP's Countdown Live. APZ Countdown Live on everything.
Got you.
And I'm AP that guy.
My boy Lockfit just pulled up.
Woo! Folks, don't forget, December 25 to 7 p.m. We're having a free webinar on Forex and all kind of other trading strategies. Make sure you sign up. Make sure you register. It is free. Won't be free after this. I'll talk to y'all later. Pip Getterz.
You stupid.
What up, cuz?
Boy, sharp. We going to eat after this or something? I figured that's what you was doing. Like, you don't know me and you want to learn this shit. What you do? Right.
Shit. I'm recording everything.
Oh, shit.
What's all that?
Yeah.
Well, you might even know. Man, I went to the same barbershop. Y'all might have seen each other before in the barbershop or in the gym or something. Probably.
Oh, yeah, I don't forget faces, man. I'm terrible with names.
So when you buy a lot of something, it's depending on your risk and everything. So if you don't have a large account, you do not have to be risking $10 or $20 a pip. You can start a very small, 10 cents a pip, 5 cents a pip, just to get your feet wet. You don't have to jump in a 12-foot pool. So I want people to understand that it doesn't take a lot of money to get started or to get educated about Forex, okay? Lots, and in futures, we trade in contracts. So you guys can look that up, contracts, lots, and shares, stocks with shares. So you're buying a certain amount of shares of Apple, or you're buying a certain amount of lots of the pound dollar, okay? Or you're buying a certain amount of contracts of the ES. Okay, so these are all different assets, and they're just different names for the same.
For those people that's going to be watching, and you say you don't need a lot of money, to them that's not going to register in their brain what that means.
Mm-hmm.
So if I came out to you randomly on the street, say, hey, I want to get into this, I want to get into Forex. I heard you're the man to go see.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a lot of cash. What is like a model account look like to start off for somebody? Let's say right now they may have $500 in their bank account.
You can start off with $500, but it's not the $500, it's your mindset with $500. With that $500, are you trying to go in there and make mortgage in your car note?
Right.
No.
Right.
You going in there to try and turn that $500 into 6 or 8, 7 by the end of the month.
Right.
So that way you're growing your account, because that $500, hopefully one day that's $5,000.
True.
In your trading account. And now when you got $5,000 in your trading account, now you can pay some bills with that.
Right.
But if you don't know what you're doing, don't open an account with $5,000, because you don't know what you're doing.
Right.
That's like, I don't know how to swim, but I'm gonna jump in a 12-foot pool.
Right.
You start off on the little kiddie side and work your way over, and then when you get hit, like, that's too much.
Right.
So you have your risk. We have risk everywhere. When you get over in the highway, there's some risk. You look into your rearview mirror. Okay, there's always risk. Some people sniff their food before they chew it. You're checking your risk. You don't even know you're doing it.
Right.
When you look both ways before you cross the street, you're checking your risk. What's the risk probability of me getting hit by this car?
Right.
In relationships, we weigh our risk. Like, if I break up with this person, how severe is this? Like, we have risk everywhere. So the same habits we have outside of the market, we practice inside the market. It's just risk tolerance. So if a person started off with $500, don't look to go make a lot of money right away, but don't look to be risking $200-300 on one single trade. That should not be your ideal account, or be gone soon.
Right.
So that $500 is to learn with, not to pay bills with.
Exactly.
And not only that, this is something that once you learn, you have it. So people have a tendency with trading to look at right now, not I won't be working when I get 50.
Right.
Like, I need to get rich now, or by the time I'm 50, I have a talent that I've worked on and I'm skilled at that I never work for anybody again. By the time I'm 45,
Right.
I won't be the lady in Walmart making sure you paid for your stuff with my highlighter.
Right. Talk to me about your webinar you got coming out.
All right, yeah. Thank you, sir. We got a webinar coming December 20th from 5 to 7 p.m. You can go log in to your Instagram or Facebook or Twitter at Pip Getterz, either one of them. And you can hit the link in the bio and register for the webinar. Okay, we also have some classes coming too. If you guys like, we got signals coming, we got kind of everything coming. We're working on a crypto class. We're just gonna have a different classes for people with different interests. Some people may just want signals and I'm out, or some people just need to watch 2 Zoom videos and I'm out. So we're gonna try to leave enough on the menu to where for people that want to bite a lot and for people that want to bite a little bit. So
How do they register to get in?
the link is in the bio on all social media platforms, or you can email us at pipgetters@gmail.com.
Well, I'll definitely be tuned in. I hope you are. And man, appreciate your time today, brother.
No problem. I appreciate you doing
coming
this
through
and
here and
coming
doing
out
this for me.
and being interested. I love it.
Yeah, man.
You gotta grow up at some point, folks.
Yes, we do, for sure.
As my mom would say, it's later than you think. And we out. Like how people say, that's risky, I don't know about this. To me, that risk wasn't bigger than doing 30 years bedtime.
Right. You get to go home.
I ain't like, okay, this shit might not work, but I ain't dead.
Right.
And I ain't in jail.
That's fact. Hey, look.
And I swung the bat. Feel me? I ain't never seen a
You
bat.
wanna win the lottery? You gotta buy a fucking ticket. That's what he's saying.
Yes, sir. And you
wanna win the lottery? You gotta buy a motherfucking
You're your
ticket.
own ticket.